You're a wuss for not taking it.
Layton's? Yeah, I'm not trying Layton's. No?
Try one.
Dude, these are so hot though.
You know a secret? I can get you some ranch and you might want to just mix it in there.
He doesn't eat ranch.
You don't eat ranch? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I don't know what to tell you then.
So I told him, like, ranch would make it so much better.
Okay,
There's one person back there that actually mixes ranch and wild, and it's not that spicy at all. And it's so good.
It's so bad. Layton, I'll try one of yours. You want to try mine?
No.
Oh, crap. Dude, it's so hot. It burns. It's my lips. Dude, my whole body is... My chest burns. I remember like heartburn. Ooh. Layton, can I please try one of yours?
Yes.
They thought they were going to blazing. Oh, yeah.
Yours are really hard.
They're not going down so well. They sweat now. Don't let them touch your lips. Yeah,
Well, that was bad.
I think it's easy when it goes in. Wait till it comes out.
Yeah. Because he was bragging. He was like, I'm going to felt on the way out. And I'm like, all right, you just wait.
And you thought you were BA.
Are you sweating already?
Oh, yeah. They both are.
I've eaten so many. Layton's are
He's
hot.
only eaten one.
And a half. Well, 3/4.
Shut up. Shut up.
These are so hot.
That girl was looking at us.
I've also eaten more.
I have none.
And now my tongue starts burning. It hurts when I breathe.
Oh, I still have ice.
I'm not breathing.
That's the quickest I've ever.
The pain is easing as long as I don't breathe.
Bro, touch your ice.
No. I haven't touched an actual pepper. Don't worry yet. I haven't touched an actual pepper. Trust me. I'm not gonna do that because then I know that I'd screw up.
Don't be rubbing it.
Oh, it burns.
I think I need some more drink. He is.
I'm not.
He needs some more water. He's all gone.
Dude, it's so bad. That's why I'm recording it.
See, and you're just over there chilling because you're not good.
Give me a fry.
No.
They don't have
They're dry and make it worse.
When they touch your tongue, it hurts.
It does.
And your cover's over there somewhere. Unless you don't use the cover.
I won't use the cover.
That's just great. Dude, it hurts so bad.
No, really?
It's like burn.
You tried one of mine. You were eating those and you were like, this is easy.
It's not easy. Like,
Then
dude,
you tried
yours are hot.
Then you tried one of mine and you were like, crap.
They inject hot sauce heroin into the chickens. Now I'm getting cold and I don't know why. I'm switching
I'm shaking in my legs because I don't want to shake anywhere else.
Oh my god, dude. Dude, it's so bad.
Exactly.
How I feel about that one.
How you doing? You done?
Dude, I'm gonna die.
Yeah, if it burns that much, I would not suggest you doing it anymore. It can really mess up your body.
Okay, I'm gonna stop then.
Hey, I'm trying to be honest. I don't want you to end up being hurt later
I told him, I
on.
was like, don't.
I'll take the pill box.
Me too.
You're gonna.
I'm gonna do this so bad.
Hey, boys.
Oh, thank God.
might take us longer.
Oh my god.
I can't even move.
You can't even move?
Potatoes, right?
Oh, that was great, guys. I enjoyed that a lot.
I hate you all.
That was good stuff.
Oh my god, dude, I'm gonna go wash my hands. I just touched my... Oh, that's so bad. Okay.
Yeah, please, sweetie.
I'm gonna go put my whole mouth under a faucet.
Oh, hell, go ahead. Make sure you wash your hands.
Yeah, wash your hands. Oh god, dude, that's so bad. Oh god, it burns, dude. Oh god, dude. It's my chest and my lips. It's not even my mouth. Oh god.
Hot water works really well.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Okay, he said hot water works well. That does not help. Shit, it's not funny, dude. So I got I'm gonna die. Oh, dude.
Doesn't hot water work way better than
No, it burnt mine. It burnt me really, really bad.
You're retarded, didn't
How am I retarded?
you? You didn't take it well.
Cashier.
Oh, so I eat like 10 times more than you.
Thought you had great service. Did the survey, you get $5 off your
I ate a bunch of mine.
Mine were hotter than yours.
Yeah, but I ate
Look how
more.
much I'm shaking.
You ate what? You ate 1.5. I ate 5 of mine and 1 of yours.
I can handle my hot sauce better.
Oh, dude, it's not even funny anymore, dude. I'm gonna die.
One's on you?
Yeah.
Put them in there with her. Yeah.
Oh, $20. $60 tip.
Oh gosh, look at my hands.
He's making himself do that. It's clickbait.
Oh yeah.
What?
Rub your eyes. Got anything in your eyes? Just take a big slap. Phil Swift here. Got anything in your eyes? Just rub some hot sauce in it. You know the flex
I'm
tape
gonna
dude?
eat mine.
You know
What?
the flex tape dude? Phil Swift.
He got beat up by a gutter.
The gutter beat me.
Okay, bye bye.